Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this custom Scion logo. So you need to drill a hole right here and then put the wire through and then get a disconnect thingy. Okay, then you connect to this light right here, the marker light. For me it was the white one with black, white wire with black is the negative, and the positive is just the green one. Okay, so you connect these two wires, and that's it. Check this out. Looks very nice. So guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.